Lime soda. Ingredients: half a cup water, 1/3 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon mint leaves dried, lemon as needed, 1 tin soda water. Method: boil the sugar and water and prepare the sugar syrup. In a glass, put 1/2 teaspoon sugar syrup and 1/2 teaspoon of mint leaf dried and mix them well. Prepare your glasses like above. Then in the prepared glasses, add soda and lemon juice. Serve chilled. You can add sugar syrup as per taste. Health benefits of soda water with lime. The vitamin C in lime boosts the immune system and aids in collagen production, which is vital for skin health. Lime's high potassium and magnesium content also contribute to heart health, helping to manage blood pressure and improve blood flow. Good for weight loss. Thanks for watching.